I love Fefe. He has become my favorite banter host. He just gets it. Old man running, keep running. It's a privilege to be in the Telegram channel. Guys, what's happening today?
I want to fight, but I just wanted to ask you, I hope
How is everybody doing? Fefe, because it's going down. Looks like Bitcoin is going down. Big show today, guys. Obviously the mood. Hola from Marbella. Hiking in the mountains. Beautiful. Bull. It's a privilege to be a Telegram. I'm so happy that you're there. It's not Sheldon's mom. It's not. She's such a cool person, by the way. It's not her. Yo. Up only season, guys. Not yet. Not yet. Down. Okay, I think it's time to cut this, guys. Welcome back to the show. Now, some of you might be coming here and thinking, why is Fefe dancing? He's been saying that we're gonna go down, we're gonna have a pullback and whatnot. And yeah, I do think we are going to have a pullback. Now, the title of the show, am I wrong about this whole pump? No. I'm not. I'll tell you what I'm thinking. I give you the clear levels, clear validations. So we're going to talk about a bunch of stuff. If you don't know who I am, my name is Fefe, and I actually bring you the best trades in the market. For example, trades like this. I always screw it, whatever. Trades like these. I write you threads to understand crypto much better. Have a daily recap. Link in the description to my X. Go and check that out. Now, there's $800 million worth of Bitcoin shorts got wrecked. I mean, it's actually a hefty number in the past 24 hours. The market added $235 billion. I mean, that's just congratulations to the market. $235 billion has been added. But what really triggered this whole thing? And there are multiple things that did. One is that a bunch of great news came at the right time. That's actually what happened. And of course, it was due. So I was telling you that we're going to come to this OB. We're going to talk about all that. But ultimately, a lot of good news came out yesterday. For example, Bitcoin flipped Amazon and became the 5th largest asset in the world. President Trump says, you better go out and buy some stocks now because this economy is going to boom like never before. And this is exactly what he's saying. Listen to this. Let me just refresh this. Listen to this. You can hear it. Okay, hold on a second. I see people. Let me just put in the song until then. Because we didn't have the checkup. Let me just do it. Bitcoin looks like going down. Boom. Okay, let's go. Let me play it again.
You better go out and buy stock now. Let me tell you, this country will be like a rocket ship that goes straight up. This is going to be numbers that nobody's ever seen before. That's a very important element of all of this. You know, if we get that, if you don't, and the Democrats are fighting it only because they want to fight. They have Trump derangement syndrome. You know,
yeah, he's actually correct. So he's saying, you know, buy stocks. Everybody starts going out buying stocks and crypto and everything. 𝗙𝗢𝗙𝗙 confirms that sovereign wealth funds, actually, I don't know why it says sovereigns, but anyway, are buying billions of Bitcoins. It's happening. And most importantly, guess who's back, bro? $1 billion worth of ETH open interest wiped in less than an hour. Man, Vitalik Buterin is back. ETH is skyrocketing. I've been saying that we have the ETH, the daily close above. No one listened. I was on a research call as well. I was saying, hey, this is a proper daily close V-shaped recovery. We do have to have a pump at 30% since then. I actually missed it because I'm still waiting for the pullback, but it's absolutely fine. I'm not worried at all. Not a bit. Coinbase announced that they will acquire Deribit, options trading platform, our partners here on the channel, $2.9 billion. This is actually the largest acquisition merger and acquisition when it came to crypto. Deribit Coinbase acquisition 2.9, and second one was Bridge acquired by Stripe for 1.1 billion. We talked about it at the time. Crazy, absolutely crazy. So all these good news are just coming in at the same time, and there is news coming out that Superstate will launch in something called Opening Bell. Which is a platform on Solana that allows companies, on Solana, not underneath, on Solana, that allows companies to issue and trade SEC-registered public equities. Do you understand what this means? This means that there will be a platform called Opening Bell that will allow people to trade companies that are SEC-registered on Solana. Tokenization at its finest happening. Then Meta, seeing all this craziness, they come back. I don't know if you know this, but Meta had a coin called Libra. And that basically the team of that was shut down by the government. And that token, or that project basically became Sui. So Sui today supposed to be Libra for Meta. Now they completely abandoned the project for political reasons. And they came out and they say that they are in talks to deploying a stablecoin after abandoning Landmark Crypto project. Interesting. Rumble comes out and they say Rumble Wallet in partnership with Tether will directly compete with Coinbase. Our goal is to become the most prominent non-custodial Bitcoin and stablecoin wallet powering the creator economy. Again, Rumble, big social media platforms and platforms moving into space. While all this, a little bit of spice hint, the US federal regulator says US regulated banks can now buy, sell, and custody cryptocurrency.
More than 50 million Americans hold some form of cryptocurrency
that's been unleashed.
This digitalization of financial services is not a trend. It is a transformation. Here at the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, we confirm that national banks and federal savings associations may engage in certain cryptocurrency activities responsibly in order to serve their customers.
So they can actually do that. Absolutely insane. Now, on top of all this, you can say it's not related, but I do think it's related. Trump seeks tax hike on wealth who earns, or on people who earn more than 2.5 million a year. So people fleeing to what? Safe havens. What is easy to hide? Bitcoins. I do think this is actually another catalyst for it. Risk appetite is absolutely over the roof. Crypto Twitter is, we're so back. We're so much so back that the tariffs, Trump's tariffs are working so much that even the Pope has made his tariff, in America now? In all jokes aside, there was white smoke coming out of the chimney. We do have a new Pope. And I just want to present you, he is from the United States. He is from Chicago. So let's see as it comes in.
Pope Leo the 14th from the United States. Let's listen.
Oh, hold on. Is it the Chicago Bulls entry song? Oh no, shit. I'm sorry. I had to. It's actually funny. I think it was funny. Come on, it was funny. He's from Chicago. Anyway, the guy comes out and he just goes, my heart goes out to you. Then he remembers Elon. He just goes back. He just pulls a big, Imagine, like all jokes aside, and I know it's a crypto show, but imagine the fact that you wake up one day and you're like, bro, I'm the Pope. Imagine that. You're standing out there in the Vatican and you're just waving like... I mean, it's crazy. It's crazy. First time ever, the girl is crying. She doesn't even understand what's happening. It's just... Dude wakes up and he's like, I'm the Pope, bitch. Imagine what... On a serious note, what can go through the guy's head? Imagine. He's like, holy fuck. Look, like, in a good way. Like, I'm just saying, like, literally, what can a guy think? Imagine you're living your life. You're like, at home with fam, you're making some toast and whatever. You're making some breakfast and whatever. And then the phone comes in like, hey, the old man died. You want to be the Pope? And you go, sure. Okay, cool. I'm sending a plane. And then you just fly into the Vatican and then you walk out and there are like thousands and thousands of people and you're just waving. I'm like, hey, I'm the Pope. You can't even realize that. How is this even happening? I mean, I don't know. It's kind of weird, but it's good. Anyway, so one thing I want to tell you guys, not fucking funny. Not funny, okay? I know people are bullying me, and that's fine. I know that this is the bullying period of the market when Fefe is calling the opposite of what everybody does, and Fefe gets it right about 80% of the time, which is good enough odds for me. So I'm going to just stick to my guns, and you can just stick up something in, whoever just made this. But anyway, so I was promised the pullback, and then people went vicious. They were like, you wreck your community by saying not to buy the fucking top. What do you mean? What do you mean I wreck my community? Like, people are completely mad. Anyway, this is what I expect, and I tweeted about this, I talked about this, and this is exactly what I still think is happening. Guess what? We are in the rejection area, and I was very, very clear, and I said I want us to hold. Where is it? Where is my tweet? Okay, let me just go. I'll have to find this tweet here. So I tweeted, and I said, I actually tweeted a lot. I tweeted a lot about the Telegram group, which I'm going to talk about in a second. But I said, I genuinely hope we hold. If there is no close above the 3.24 trillion level in the total market cap, we're going to have a massive pullback. You can hate me all you want. This is my opinion. So 3.24 trillion is up here. If we are not going to have a daily close above the 3.24 trillion, 22, 23, whatever. No, did I take this? Yes, I took this, sorry. Where is the daily 24? Why did I take that 24 from? It's here. Why is it not showing on the hour? So if we don't have a daily close above there, we are going to have a pullback. And yes, there is a wick through. Why? Because of the internal liquidity. That's just what it is. So whoever says what, I don't care. I am not longing the top. Let's run through some of the things. One, all of you guys who are saying we're so back and my portfolio is only down 50% was hating on Bitcoin at 97. And when I said that you're gonna regret, I can literally pull up TJ, pull up the post that I had about you're gonna regret buying Bitcoin, you're not buying Bitcoin, all that. People were commenting, oh, we'll buy it 50,000. Okay, cool. So, and I was just saying that you should start accumulating at 75. I was deploying 50% of my capital back into the market. So at 94, would you like that price with that? And then at 100K, we're like, I don't need a job because going to $1 million and I'm gonna be, all that. So it's cool. And I genuinely hope we hold. But so I tweeted this, and I just want you to know: is there really? I'm legit stopping the show now. Is it 148 likes? And is it really 740 people watching? Is it seriously? Or is this stuck? Guys, I'm gonna now type in YouTube. I'm gonna just look for YouTube. And I legit say that, if we don't get 300 likes by the time I pull this up, we're cutting the show. I'm not even gonna give you free access to the Telegram. I'm not even kidding. I'm typing YouTube already. I'm just saying I would be hurrying. I'm legit not joking. Let me just go here. Just do here, crypto live. If I open this up and there is no, here. This is not. What is happening here? How many likes do we have? 240. Okay, I'm gonna give this to you guys. I'm gonna refresh. Somebody said we get that I got nothing. I'm gonna refresh. I say I'm gonna refresh. Okay, good. We can continue the show. My peace of mind is happening. Okay, good. So what I was saying is that I am a man with a plan. So I tweeted this on the 30th of April. You guys been, calling for the bear market. I've been tweeting this, and I said, we're going to come up here and we're going to reject from there. This did not change, did not get invalidated. This is what is happening. So all of the idiots who come in here and telling me that for regular community, it literally played the way I said it was going to play. So much so that we took some long trades on the freaking pullback here, which turned out to be freaking extreme. For example, I can show you Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin entry I gave you on the 100x Club. I deleted that. Okay. So what else do we have here? Solana entry. This is the Solana entry I gave you. You're up 20%. Sui. This is the Sui entry I gave you. You're up 23%. So no, Fefe did not wreck the community. No, Fefe is not an idiot. Also, and Myers put it very, very nicely, Fefe is also net long, but not net stupid. Okay? So I want you to understand, there are a bunch of reasons to not be extremely bullish here. One, did you see what the market has already done? Like, do you really want to start longing into on the week? If you look at it, On the week, we've got Pengu up 44%, and you want to go top blasting it? Be my guest. Go 20x leverage, whole account, just to make sure that everything is fine. Lido up 20%, Virtual's up 15%, Pepe's up 45%. It's not the recovery, it's the gain. It's the gain. And you want to tell me that the right play now is to go and top blasting it and go 20x leverage long? Be my guest. But for the community who actually does care, and doesn't want to lose money, here's my message. Looks like a great time for all sideline market participants to get long, preferably on the highest level possible. Okay, again, I'm not long, I'm not that stupid. I had a plan, and my plan was the following from the get-go. This plan did not change. We came into a higher time frame order block, and we are supposed to see a rejection. Will we? I don't know. I'm not a fortune teller, but I can tell you one thing. I am definitely not buying here. I'm definitely not long in here. And even if we blast through here, I can say that I have a confirmation on the weekly OB that the reversal is happening and up only season, which we've seen previously here, is going to play out. But I'm not in a rush. 30% of the, 90% of the gains, 80% of the gains is made the last 30% of the run. If this is the final major breakout, guys, we're going to make so much money. You don't need to hurry. This is all I'm saying, okay? If you're sidelined, someone's saying that they're 100% in cash. Problem. I'm never 100% in cash. I'm 50% allocated, but I'm not in a rush to take leverage positions. I'm not. So what am I looking at is the following. I want to tell you a couple of things. One is that I am keen to see a daily close above the 3.24 trillion. If it doesn't happen, no deal. No deal. No tariff. No nothing. You go back, you're fired. If there is no close above, fired. Okay, the chart is fired. Do I think we're going to go back to 84,000? No, I'll tell you why. Because when I said we're going to go back to 84,000, we didn't have all this great news. I do think that we have a possibility of pulling back to this region. We might week through or whatever, but it will take weeks and weeks and weeks. But I think a pullback down to the 2.80, 2.9-ish trillion region is very, very likely. That's about a 10% pullback. Now, let me give you another reason why I think that's possibly going to play out, is exactly because of this. I actually posted this. Let me just find it. I actually posted this in my Telegram group that we launched yesterday. So I launched a free Telegram group. Please don't get scammed. There is a link in the description, so don't just start opening up anything that you find online and then just hoping that it's good. I didn't share that. Okay, but I shared this post here in my Telegram, okay? The way it works, the reason why I shared it is because last time when we had a break above, after this consolidation period back here in October, we did have a break above the previous high, just like here, right? Very familiar, just like here. Guess what happened after? We had a 10% pullback. Normal, absolutely normal. Back to the OB, the order block, which you see here, the demand zone down here, and then move on. So that, again, pull back to the demand zone would put Bitcoin down to like a 94,000-ish region. That's a 10% drop. That is the one that I think is probable. But even if we would pull back to 86, 87, would absolutely be normal. Everybody will call for the bear market. If we pull back to like 85, 86, absolutely possible and absolutely normal. How I'm playing this? Very simple. One, I share everything on my Telegram. So the reality is there is a link in the description. I launched a new Telegram group, as I said. It's here. Join Fefe's crypto Telegram, free crypto Telegram. It's completely for free. Now, yes, I am going to upgrade it at one point. Yes, I will have a paid group. Yes, all that. But for now, I'm literally sharing with you everything. I wake up in the morning. It's so much easier to communicate like this because I wake up, I leave a voice note, I share some charts, I share my thoughts, and I don't have to worry about my ex. People don't see it and all that. So there's a link here. You can click on there. We are accepting a few people today on the show, but also, Cuz, can you please pin this? Pin this in the comment. So we are going to accept, but there is 2,000 people who joined in the past 24 hours. So we're going to have to accept those people first. But I'm accepting based on first come, first serve. So if you click on the link and you click on join, you will put in an order and you will be accepted. Probably we're going to accept like 100, 200 people a day. So you want to do that. It's here. It's not paid group. It's not paid group. It's free for now. But yes, yes, there will be a paid group. It will be, a complete trading mastermind. We're going to do calls in the morning. We're going to trade sessions. There will be the course included. It's going to be insane. I'll need time. So until then, I just want to help you accumulate cash. And we made this group. Telegram is awesome. I'm so happy. How many of you are in the Telegram already? Just tell me. And I have to leave, actually. I have to leave. Any idea when the current waiters will be accepted? So we have 700 people waiting. Oh no, 800 people waiting. Okay, 800 people waiting. And then from the previous, so if someone got accepted yesterday, please go and check out Fantastic Me. Telegram is awesome. In the group. So happy you guys there. Just apply, but not accepted. Cool. So there's a link in the description. You can apply through there as well. But if you have applied yesterday, I uploaded a show because we screwed up a little bit here because it's getting fired. But we have this here. What you want to do is you want to check this video on the 𝗏𝗏𝗏 Club, which I uploaded. Again, there's a link in the description, but this is my trading channel, the 𝗏𝗏𝗏 Club. And I uploaded, you have to, if you have been accepted yesterday, if you have applied yesterday and you've been accepted yesterday, you can just get access completely without any waiting. So you want to do that. Thank you. I'm in the channel. Good. Ready to join Premium. Premium is not now, but it will come. So many of you are in the group. I'm so happy to see. So happy. Cool. If you're not in, your loss. But I mean, you can join. There's a link in the description here. Completely for free. I'm going to share off of it. You could probably charge thousands and thousands of dollars for. See how many people are in. 752 is in, and then about 800 waiting. Okay, let's go. So this is my current sentiment. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do a show now because I have to go. I have a pretty important appointment that I have to go to. I have to try a ring. Someone's gonna put a ring on me, so I need to try a ring. So I won't be able to do this, but ultimately I'm gonna share everything in the Telegram. We're gonna approve most people in the group. I'm gonna give 24 hours for the people who joined yesterday. And I'm just gonna approve straight out all of them from the old group yesterday. And if you join now, you probably get access in the next coming days. I'm gonna update you on the shorts. As I told you in the Telegram as well, I'm already in a short position. Now, what is also cool, like I said that here, if you could look at the 5-minute chart, you could easily just say, let me go. If you go into the 5-minute chart here, you could easily say that this is a market structure shift. The reason why I'm not trading this market structure shift, which could, look at this, it would have played out perfectly for now. But I'm already scaling into shorts. I shared it in the Telegram, but I'm already scaling into shorts. The thing is that the reason why I don't want to play this 5-minute market structure shift, because I do think New York is going to dump hardcore, but I think there is a possibility that they liquidate first. This is still just coming back. To an OB here. So I would not be surprised if it happens like this, liquidate, and then something like this happens. I would also not be surprised if some news comes out related to China. This could be just an exit liquidity run. And again, I do think we are back. I do think the bull market is back or never left, but we still need to see this retrace. Things need to be respected. They always are, and you just don't want to be on the wrong side of the trade. If we close above 3.24 trillion, I do think it's up only. I'm just going to take it from there. Guys, I also wanted to tell you one more thing. So we have a partner, Altbank, and you probably have heard this a million times. I said it. They have 0% maker fees, and they have trading volume. You can literally just get back, not trading bonuses, but get back cash for trading on Altbank. So if you trade a certain volume using my link in the description, you get back cash. And also every month, I distribute $3,500 for the top 3 volume people. Now, here's the thing, and I'll be completely transparent with you. I told you that I'm only gonna talk about people and partners that I believe in. I told you that I'm gonna be always transparent with you, and this is what I'm doing now. So there was some people complaining about the fact that they didn't receive their trading bonuses, they didn't get their maker fee deduction and all that. So it happened quite often, and I told Altbank that we're gonna change that. So please, if you sign up to the platform, try trading around. If you don't get the maker fees, if you don't get back bonuses, let me know, and I will make sure personally that you're gonna get reimbursed, okay? So please, you can DM me on X, you can send me an email, whatever you want. If you do not get, send me a DM, send me your UID. I personally will take care of that it happens. Because it's not cool if it doesn't happen. And I think my time is extremely expensive, so I'm pretty confident that Altbank is going to fix this as well. So if you have encouraged or encountered this issue, I'm pretty confident that they are working on it and they are going to fix it. But if they don't see it, they don't know it, so just make sure to do that. And I actually do like Altbank. I like the people, I like the platform. They've been here since 2015, so I know some of you are furious about it, and I'm furious as well, but we're moving forward together, and I'm sure that we can fix this. And somebody's saying Altbank is amazing. I know. I'm pretty confident people who sign up will love it. 0% maker fees and all that. So that said, what should we give 10 people access now in the Telegram? I can like make a group. And then we just pin that. 50. Let's make 50. Let's do 25. Okay, let's do 25. Guys, okay, I'm gonna start. We have 440 likes. I can't complain here. I can't complain here. What about the house? It was great. It was decent. It wasn't the best, but it was decent. Never get entry from 𝗏𝗏𝗏. The most expensive fee is super stupid. No, it's not. I genuinely like 𝗏𝗏𝗏, and you have 0% maker fees. But if they don't allocate to you, DM me. I'll make sure personally that it happens. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it, cause I'm gonna do it. Let's give away 25. Now I'm just so keen to see how it's gonna. I'm just gonna go 25 slots. No. I'm just gonna create a link, and it will have 25 ins. I can just set 25. The link will work for 25. First 25. It's a race, bruv. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Just so you know, an FYI, 𝗙𝗘𝗙𝗙 is here. What's good, bruv? What's good? 𝗙𝗘𝗙𝗙 is in the house. Go check out 𝗙𝗘𝗙𝗙's channel. He said we're gonna do a show together and then just completely ghosted me. So fine, David, no worries about it. I'm just crying myself into sleep at night. How could you dump me like this? But it's fine, guys, it's fine. Now we're gonna figure it out. I'm pretty sure we're gonna figure it out. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. There's the crazy frog. Cause I'm gonna send it in now, pin it. Guys, it's first comes, first served. It's in. The race is on. So I have, just so you know, it says 7:52. This is the coolest shit about launching a Telegram, I promise you. Let me refresh. 77. Oh, it's gone. Is it gone? I think it's gone. I think it's been used. I think it's been used. That's it. Is it really it? No, 15. There's 10 more. 10 more. I'm in a Telegram. Racing music. Let's go. 10 more. Almost 800 people in. Almost 800 people in. Ding, ding. Okay, it's gone. It's gone. Guys, it's gone. Yeah. Okay, guys, if anybody's tuning in now, I promise you the show is not usually like this. We just had a great lunch. Huh? It's usually like this. Gus says the show is usually like this. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. We are going to let everybody in today, or tomorrow, or the day after tomorrow. Soon. I'll keep you posted. Please don't start top blasting everything. Just go into craziness and long and leverage and all that. Wait. Low liquidity weekend can bring, what is it? How did you say that? Miracles. So just make sure to check out these two videos. One of them should be the explanation on the Telegram group, but if not, you can just check here. This is my trading channel. I bring you daily content when I have time, when I'm not putting a ring on it. And check out the other videos as well on the channel. Subscribe. Make sure that you come back for another one next week. Guys, truly appreciate you. Much love. Take care. Bing, bing. Good crazy.